Doing Spawn here today. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do an unboxing of the stereo headphones with microphone. So let's get into this video. So here's what it is. It's a USB. So let's unbox this. I already tried to rip it open, so let's just rip like the cardboard off. You can see I'm ripping the cardboard off. And let's see if we can get this type of cardboard off. Come on. Oh yes. Come on. There you go. I kind of opened it a weird way. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Well, let's rip the rest of this cardboard off. I opened it like a weird way. And what is this? Come on. This is just a piece of cardboard. And we have, what is this? Ear pads. Wow. Okay, let's see what is in this. Let's see. I'm actually talking pretty, it's actually, I'm recording late. You see, it's nighttime. It's because it's 10 o'clock at night. What is this? Does this have any instructions? Okay, well, just wait. Okay, there's, oh shoot, I dropped my phone. Is my phone okay? Or is the camera cracked? I would say it still works. Well, here's instructions. See what this is. This is a manual. Okay. I'll get to that later with Dad. What we have is a USB cable. Get these headphones out. These are microphone. Okay. First, let's there we go. That's a high quality camera. I mean, microphone. It's cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing video. Make sure to slap a like, sub, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.